There are other major pharmaceutical companies as well waiting for emergency approval on their vaccine against COVID-19. Candidates, researchers are now testing 52 vaccines in clinical trials on humans. And at least 87 clinical vaccines are under active investigation on animals. Let's get you a roundup now. Novavax Incorporated is a late-stage biotechnology company developing next-generation vaccines for serious infectious diseases. The Novavax company has announced that the U.S. Food and Drug Administration has granted fast-track designation for the company's COVID-19 vaccine. The vaccine is currently in late-phase clinical development. The vaccine is a stable prefusion protein made using Novavax's nanoparticle technology. Meanwhile, the Oxford-AstraZeneca COVID-19 vaccine production has begun in Australia. 30 million doses of the vaccine will enter manufacturing in Victoria, and the AstraZeneca vaccine will need to be approved by Australia's Therapeutic Goods Administration. Phase 3 clinical trials of the vaccine are expected to wrap up by the end of this year. The Brazilian state of Sao Paulo has begun building a facility to produce 100 million doses of China's Sinovac vaccine against COVID-19. The vaccine will be ready by September next year. The first batch of 120,000 imported Sinovac vaccines will arrive on November 20th. And the India-based Bharat Biotech is making headway with progress on Covaxin. This is India's first indigenous vaccine against COVID-19. While the vaccine went into trials in July, the company recently announced plans to launch the vaccine by the mid-half of next year. The timeline will depend on the conduct of the Phase 3 trials and regulatory approvals. Russian authorities, meanwhile, have claimed a more than 90% success rate for its Sputnik V vaccine as well, citing data collated from vaccinations of the public rather than from an ongoing trial. Russian authorities are also planning to start the mass vaccination of their second COVID-19 vaccine candidate, that is Epivac. The vaccine, which was registered for use on October 14th, is also being clinically tested, much like the Sputnik V.